You know you're in Plant City when you close your eyes and you hear the nature, right?
I love the nature, but more importantly, I love meeting Kristen and Jason. Hello there.
Jason, Kristen, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
Oh, man.
Welcome to paradise, right?
Yeah. Yes, it's nice.
Today we're heading out to Plant City, and we have been doing some projects in Plant City more frequently because the pricing is more reasonable, your budget goes a little bit further, and it's not quite as developed as other parts around Tampa. So I can see the appeal for sure. So what are some must-haves that you have learned that you need in this new house?
We'd like a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom.
Single story for sure. Okay.
A split floor plan, kids on one side, us on the other side. And I would love a big back porch. I mean, look at that view.
I was gonna say, I mean, that's where your view is.
And storage.
Yes, storage is the biggest. In our current house, we have no storage. With, 6 people in a house, you just need room to put things. So I do have one hall closet, if you want to call it that, but it is this miniature little door that kind of stuff just gets thrown into because it's like super awkward to get in and out of. And our pantry is not really a pantry. You have this like foot space to get in, and it's really deep back there, so we really don't even use it as a pantry. Just because it's frustrating. Do you have a closet in here?
No, I do not.
You have lots of dresses that need a closet, don't you?
Yes.
Before we can break ground, inspiration tours are a must because that's gonna help us create the blueprint.
Yes.
And then we can really get this thing going. We kind of need to know what we're working with as far as budget.
Budget is $520,000.
Okay.
The calendar is almost started.
You guys ready?
Yes,
Come on.
ready.
Kristen and Jason, we have a lot of work to do to design this dream home. It's really all about your feedback and how you react to certain designs. I know Kristen and Jason don't necessarily have the same style. I want to show them a lot of options so we can maybe infuse a little bit of both of their styles into this dream home. I had to show you this because when I think of farmhouse, you kind of think of a black and white facade.
I like the contrast that it gives.
Yeah, it makes it pop.
I wouldn't mind a little more detail maybe in the material.
There are so many different things from stone to brick.
Yeah, that could be a possibility to mix things.
Yeah. So the other thing is just the shape of the house. If you notice here, you kind of have this asymmetrical roof line. So what are your thoughts there?
I think it's a beautiful house and it has a lot of character to it. I know my husband.
Uh-oh, yeah, oh, okay.
I think it would drive you crazy not having everything symmetrical.
My wife is correct, so maybe windows that match on each side with somewhat of a grand entrance.
I think we should take a peek inside and see what other features you gravitate towards.
Yes.
All right, y'all, come on in.
Wow.
So when you first walk in your house, I mean, do you want to have some separation between the entryway and like the common areas?
I mean, I want it to feel a little separate, but I don't want wasted space because I feel like our other houses we've had wasted space. I mean, more of like an open concept is what I've kind of dreamed up in my head.
Yeah, I'm in agreement with that for sure. Our historic home is built in early 1900s, so it's all boxed off, closed off, the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, everything's separate. With 4 kids, we just want to be involved and around them and them be around us.
Let's move on out of this entryway and like see where you're actually living at, like the great room in the kitchen.
It feels kind of boxy to me with the ceiling and all the squares, and this is all a square. I don't know that I love the feeling that I'm getting with the shape.
If you are working in the kitchen space, you're not really facing like the feature TV walls.
Maybe even like a rectangle instead of a square room, like kitchen, dining room, living room, all flowing together. That could be nice.
Okay. Why don't we take a peek at this kitchen and kind of see what works in here? It's pretty bright, white, and neutral.
I do like the white. I like that there's not a whole lot of color.
I don't like it that plain. I would like a little bit of detail, just a little something more to give it a little character.
Some homeowners like to kind of mix it up and have the island kind of be a focal point, so I don't know.
Fun color? Green could be fun.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, I feel like try to keep it somewhat neutral. Maybe I'm a little boring, but something clean looking.
Still want it to feel cozy and not too cold. I think too much white can be too cold.
What if we go with a wood tone for the island instead of a bright color?
Okay, yeah, that sounds nice.
So a lot of times clients are not willing to take the risk with like bold colors. I normally recommend incorporating just a hint of either wood or some organic elements so the house still feels warm, inviting, and cozy. And it's a good compromise for Kristen and Jason.
Laura could be open to that.
Ooh, okay, so that's a maybe. All right, so we could maybe do some kind of two-tone scenario. Now let's go see a house that I think could fit both of your styles. If you notice, the island is wood grain color, so what are your thoughts there?
It's really pretty.
I like that a lot. I do like the warmth of the room. Even the bar stools are wood. It's a very cozy feeling.
And that's important. It's like the overall feel of the space.
Yeah, I mean, what about even open shelves somewhere that like match the island if we're doing wood?
I like that.
What about the countertop?
Not huge on the veins.
This veining is a little bigger than what I like. I like subtle detail. Gold speckle could be pretty.
Ooh,
Or plain.
or plain. I think the countertops will be kind of easy once you pick out the other partnering design aesthetics.
All right, Jason and Kristen, the moment you've been waiting for.
Yeah.
Are you excited to see the floor plan of your dream home?
We are very excited. Looking forward to it.
Let's check out the exterior. I know you lived in the historical district with a lot of charm, so we had to make sure that we give some character to this new home as well. So check it out. First thing, you have 6 large windows with shutters on the outside of the house.
You also wanted the different textures, so we gave you brick on the left and right, stucco right down the middle, beautiful French door, double entrance.
I
Looks
love
great.
it.
Love it.
Now it's time to go inside. Located in the middle of your home as soon as you enter is the large open concept, great room, dining, and kitchen with that must-have walk-in pantry to give you plenty of storage.
That's big. That will be
That's
great.
very
There's no walls obstructing your view. You'll be able to see your backyard from your front door.
We're gonna have sliders, that whole back wall, that are gonna go out to your back lanai.
Oh, that would be really nice. I like that.
We know that you want that split floor plan.
On the left side of the house is the 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. One for the kids, and the other is gonna have an entrance to the outside lanai.
You know, we were thinking though, with our 13-year-old, she's just getting older and really wants her own space for everything. We were wondering if we could make the other bathroom just attached to her room.
Ooh, so wait a minute.
Ensuite for her. Okay, so instead of a door to the outside, how about we create an entrance right from the bedroom?
Very
Yeah,
nice.
I like it.
Cool.
Nice.
So we'll make that adjustment. And I know storage is important to you, so each bedroom has a ton of extra storage space, as well as another hallway walk-in closet for the whole family.
Oh yes, that will be amazing.
It was crucial for you not to only have enough storage, but to also have a pretty nice sized laundry room.
That size laundry room is great because I can put my chair in there.
That's gonna give a whole new meaning to wash and dry, right?
I guess so.
I hear the cows.
I think the cows think it's funny.
Thank
Till the
you.
cows come home. Then on the right side of the house in the back will be your main suite. You have a really large walk-in closet, but we added an extra little storage niche over here as well.
I love that.
So all in all, we knew you had a budget of $520,000. In that budget, we were able to give you the 4 bedrooms, the 3.5 bathrooms, plenty of storage, and you have about 2,500 square footage of livable space.
Today we're swinging into a brand new ground break. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's do it, Ray! We know how much Kristen and Jason and the 4 kids are looking forward to their dream home. It all starts today. Right now, they're jammed into the rental unit, which I know they're ready to get out of. 99 days from now, we'll get them out of rental unit into the dream home. Let's go. Once the slab's completely poured, it's time to go vertical with cinder block. Block won't rot or mold, and it stands up really well in Florida's extreme weather. And the best part is Kristen won't have to worry about tackling repairs or maintenance while Jason travels for the Army, like she did in their old historic home. This dream home is built to last.
Okay, so Kristen and Jason, today we definitely have to get some decisions made. I've got some samples for the island. Let's get a right cabinet so we kind of have a comparison here.
Okay.
There's a lot of variation that you can go with, light or dark.
I think I'm instantly drawn to the more natural look.
Well, I kind of am leaning the same way because I feel like that will really bring that warmth that we were looking for.
You're both agreeing. Nice.
right, we're here. Progress report, what do you think?
Wow. First of all, I love what a statement this house makes on this lot. I love the wide footprint, the arched entryway. Ooh, plenty of windows. The sliders look amazing.
We're just waiting on electricians, get some insulation in here, and then we are ready to drywall.
Amazing. We really need to talk about special projects. I already have an inclination, the laundry room space. Kristen used to be a hairstylist. She still has customers, friends, and family that she does their hair at home.
I want a designated spot, you know, just to put a shampoo bowl down the line, but I don't want to take up too much room from the house, so I thought a laundry room could even be a good spot.
So my thought is, instead of Kristen doing this in the future, why don't we give her all the essentials she'll need now to start doing hair right away?
Hot off the press, hot off the press.
Oh, yeah.
We are marking off that checklist. Laundry room towel, done. Watch your fingers.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Nice and snug.
Countertops, done.
Perfection.
Floating shelves, not done.
Almost done.
Almost done. But we have to figure out where they go first.
We are on day 99.
Big day tomorrow, but we got to get through the big day today to get to tomorrow.
We are really being strategic on the furniture in this house. We want to make sure that I don't put too much color to where Jason is overwhelmed when he walks in. I know Jason really likes neutral.
You think it's too much color for Jason?
No, I don't think so. He loves hanging out in the woods. I think anything with like green, natural tones, he's going to love it.
Mika, I'm really glad I listened to you because I don't think I can reach a shelf much higher than this one.
Today is the big day. Oh my goodness. This house turned out beautiful. I'm very confident they're gonna be all smiles.
And I'm really excited to get them out of the rental so they can start renting it again. I mean, let's face it, they've been losing money waiting for this house to get done.
Here's your finishing touch right here.
Very nice. What a great way to honor Jason's service to our country.
We're getting close. I am very excited about everything being new. This is gonna be very exciting that I won't have a bunch of projects.
Yeah.
And then more storage in different places. The
I'm
kids
so
can spread
excited
out.
for storage.
Oh, I'm excited.
I love it. Oh my gosh.
There they are.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Jason, do you approve of the red, white, and blue
I
colors?
do. I really like that.
All right.
I noticed that
That's-
right when we turned the corner.
We wanted to honor what you do, and I said, you know what? I think he'll approve of this color pop on the front of the house, right?
I appreciate it.
looks
It's very nice.
Great.
So how does it feel to be pulling up to a brand new house?
Very excited. Very
Yes,
excited.
it's amazing. Nothing to fix right away. No creaking floors, hopefully.
Nope,
No.
no creaking floors.
I love the shutters. I think that's my favorite. The
Ooh,
black
yeah.
shutters.
Yeah.
Welcome home, Jason and Kristen.
Come on in.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Everything I see, I love so far. Oh, the kitchen,
Great.
the lights. Oh my
wow.
gosh, the backsplash.
Let's go in there.
Look at this. So pretty.
Very nice.
Good.
it
Oh,
does
look at the
good.
shelves.
Oh, those
Love
are
them.
nice.
That
Very
looks
nice.
so nice. I mean, I don't know.
Oh, no,
I'm
I love
speechless, really. Just homey feeling.
I see smiles on both your faces, so I love that.
One of the things you did not have in the historic home was storage. You want to see how much room you have now?
Yes, please.
Take a little sneaky peeky.
Oh, wow.
A little bit better?
Yeah, that's a lot better. I can fit so many snacks in here for the kids.
I know, right?
Perfect.
So your dining area, kitchen, and great room. I mean, if the kids are in here, you're never disconnected from the family and what's going on.
I think that was huge for us. We just wanted something where we could all be together, centralized, and then also branch out too. So this is great.
You ready to see some more?
Yes,
ready.
definitely.
Let's go check out the backyard.
Back porch, a large back porch was a must.
Yes.
Yes.
Got to make sure you're happy with this.
I love the sliders.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this looks nice. The kids will enjoy that too.
Have some family dinners out here on a cool night. Popsicles after dinner.
Ooh.
I can sit here and drink my coffee.
See, Mama can relax. Burn off that energy, kids. You got like a couple acres to do it.
Love it. It's huge. You nailed it on that one. Put it all in the back.
That's what I'm
great.
saying. This is where you're going to spend the most time. So get the square footage in the back part because that's where your view is and your privacy.
Yes, it is.
Speaking about privacy, should we show you where you guys are going to retreat to at night?
Yes, please.
Let's check out that main suite.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. Wow. It looks cozy, you know, a little escape, retreat. It's quiet back here. I don't think I'll hear the kids. Look over there. I love it.
All right, should we check out the main bathroom?
I'm excited. Let's go see it. Oh, wow.
I love the dark floor, but still some shape to it. That's really fun. And the warmth of the wood.
Match your kitchen.
And then the black. It looks really sharp. I love it.
Shall we go see the kids' rooms? Because we really hope that we got this right.
All right, I'm excited.
Let's go see where Jack and Elizabeth are gonna be living.
Aw, so cute. The mermaid sheets.
Oh, she's gonna flip about that.
Yeah.
She'll be so excited about
She'll
it.
be flipping her fins.
Yes.
We got the surfer boy vibe along with the mermaid girl.
I think it looks perfect.
And you got the ocean in the middle because, hey,
Yeah,
surfer boys
yeah.
and mermaids all live together.
Exactly. It's adorable.
So the next kid sequentially would be
Jonah.
Jonah.
Oh,
Nice.
wow. Oh, this looks good.
We wanted this room to be kind of like a creative outlet for him that he could not only build, but also display all his projects.
This will be perfect for him.
So Jonah, Elizabeth, and Jack are all gonna be sharing a bathroom. Should we see where they're gonna be brushing their teeth together?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so cute.
It is. It's very nice. That's great.
Yes, I love the 2 sinks, so hopefully minimal fighting.
All right, time for the oldest daughter.
Let's see if we got this right.
All right, so Lily educated us on academia, and I hope we got it right. I think we did.
Oh, yeah.
I like the dark wall contrast.
Yes.
She'll get a kick out of that.
Oh, she'll love that. I think you got it right.
Good.
And the decorations over there, that brass mirror or antique mirror, she'll love that.
Yeah, hopefully Lily's old soul likes this brand new room.
I think it will. The bathroom, she'll be ecstatic.
Thrilled.
Oh, cute. She'll love this.
A lot of space for a 13-year-old.
Absolutely.
13-year-old Brian is very jealous.
Right?
You know what I'm super jealous about, though? Your laundry room, and we cannot wait to show you.
I almost forgot about a laundry room.
What are we talking about? Chores.
we didn't forget.
Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. This is amazing. What? Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, these shelves, the mirror, and a sink.
You've got plenty of surface area because you're gonna have a lot of little tools, your hair dryer, your curling iron. You've got the separate entry, so really if you do have friends and family coming to get their hair done, they don't even have to walk through the house.
Yeah, that's perfect. The green is really cool. I love it. I mean, this feels like a classy salon. This is amazing. I wanted to do something like this in the future, you know, but it was like, oh, maybe someday, but you guys doing it.
Yeah.
I mean, this is great.
So is Kristen back in business?
Back in business.
Yes!
I'm speechless at how the house looks. It looks so amazing.
What a journey it's been for you from an historic house to a rental house, now to your very own brand new house.
I love it.
You have your 4 bedrooms. It's a nice split floor plan.
Yeah.
3.5 bathrooms.
2,500 square feet, all within your budget of $520,000.
Yeah, it's so homey, and I'm so excited to see the kids' reactions.
Oh man, they're gonna love it. You did great working together, making decisions. So now sit back, relax, and just enjoy.
I am gonna steal a grape before I go. Bye guys, thank you so much.
Brian.
Yeah, I know.
All right, guys.
We'll see you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Welcome home.
Feels like home already. I hope you're excited. Go on in.
Brian and Mika did such a good job. Look, they got mermaid sheets over there.
They listened to the kids and they made their rooms how they wanted them. Do you like it, Jack?
Like